Hi, my name is Cynthia, and I'm here to present to you my final project at Code Basic Virtual Internship. I actually worked a project on shared insurance analysis. So I'm going to be taking you through the project tasks, the live dashboard, and the insight I got from it. And also, I'm going to be telling you about the data connection as well, which leads to my data model. So I'm really so excited because this is actually my final project at the virtual internship. It's really been amazing. So we have the amazing dashboard here, and as you can see, I have different views. I have the general view, I have the sales view, I have the age group view. I also have created a pop-up message to explain a little bit about the project. I've also created an information pop-up message as well to help users, and also the support pop-up message to help the users as well. And I have the pop-up message to show the key insights that I was able to generate from this project. So starting from the information pop-up message, so if I go to the information pop-up message, I can see this is a little information that is going to be helpful to the users of the dashboard. Here is trying to let the user know that this dashboard is going to be refreshed on every month on fifth working day, and all the and to also let them know that all the data that I use in this analysis as they are just CSV files. They are non-system data. I didn't get them from any relational database. It's just CSV files, and they can also click here to ask a question, and they can download the live Excel version from here. Going back to our home page, we have the support pop-up message as well. So this support pop-up message also helps to get issues resolved for the users as well. They can add new requests, they can provide feedbacks, they can also click on each tab to be able to new if they are new to Power BI, they can click here to get more information on how to navigate through the dashboard, and other things that might be of use to any if they are interested in. So I'm going back to the home page. I have here you can see that the last date I refreshed this report was on the 2nd of January 2024, and the last date of the data in the CSV file was April 2023. So going to the report pop up. So opening the report pop-up, I'm seeing the information I have about the project here. This project uses data from various sources, that is the CSV. I have about 5 CSV files to understand how a company's insurance sales are doing. We look at things like who is buying insurance, where they live, and how they prefer to buy. By analyzing this information, we can see which age group are most interested, which cities are most profitable, and which sales method works best. This helps the company make better decisions about the marketing, product development, and sales strategies. So going down here, I have my data model. In this project, data connection links customers' information, policy details, sales transactions, and revenue figures. This integrated data set uncovers business patterns, guiding informed decisions and strategic planning. You can look at the structure of the data model down here. So I've got my 5 tables and I've connected them through the knowledge of star schema. I've got my fact tables here, and then I've got my dim tables around it. So the project has, for this shield insurance company, the task involves analyzing data from various insurance related tables, which are the 5 tables, to derive key business insights. These insights include tracking business metrics like revenue, customer growth, segmenting customers by age and location, assessing sales channel effectiveness, and understanding policy preference across demographics. The goal is to inform marketing strategies, optimize sales channels, and enhance product offerings based on data-driven findings. So going back to our homepage, now we have the sales view, the general view, and the age group view. So going to the general view, if you look at the dashboard that we have here, it's just a general view which tells generally everything that's helpful to the company. So down here we have the KPIs, total revenue, total customer, daily revenue growth, and daily customer growth. So if you look down here, you'll see a pop-up message saying that you should select a filter. That is because there is a comparison DAS formula that I've used here, that you need to select a formula to compare with the previous month. So if I select here, I have beautiful filters as well. You can play around the filters to select and then view your comparison. So if I select 2023, I can see my values are popping up. So this is LM. LM means last month. So my total revenue for 2023 is 701.25 million INR, because my values are in million INR, and this LM stands for last month. So probably the last month we're looking at here is December 2022. So we also have for the customers daily revenue and daily customers growth. Here we have the customer segmentation. You can see the cities, you can see the age group in each city, and you can also see the total customers between that age group and the total revenue between that age group in that same city. You can play around with the filters to see whatever you want to see. You can take filters by months, by city, by age group, and still by sales mode. So if you look at the trend that we have here, we have daily customers growth and total customers, their monthly trend. And I've attached a toggle button here that you can switch to view revenue analysis as well, daily revenue growth and total revenue as well. So you can switch in between again to view whatever you want to view and understand the trend. I have another split, revenue split here, customer split, each cities, the total customers for that city and total revenue for that city. And I also have it by age group as well, the total customers for this age group and the total revenue for this age group. So moving to the sales view, we'll have the same KPIs as well. And if you look at the KPI, I've also embedded a chart, a line chart here that shows another visualization of the difference of the variance between the previous and the current values that we have. Here you can see that we are having negative variance here, minus 79.88%. That is why we are seeing that the lines are coming down. The middle line here is the zero axis, while down is the negative axis. The same goes to this as well. So here, since this is the sales view, we have the sales mode segmentation, whereby we have the sales mode, offline agents, the cities, the total customer for that city that worked with that offline agents, the total revenue as well. You can also play around with the filters. We have the trends sales mode over month. That is the growth, the trend of the sales mode over the month. And we also have total customers by sales mode. You can see that, and the percentage values as well. We have the total revenue by sales mode as well. So going to the age group view, we've got the sales mode by age group. You can see the age groups for each sales mode. Here we have about the count of sales mode here is 4,246 for this particular sales mode, which is offline agents. So we have for offline direct 991, we have online app 1,690, we have online website 1,455. So we also have the customer trend by age group, and I've also added a zoom slider where you can zoom to see the trend itself. And if you want to have a clear view, you can expand it to be able to see at what point each age group is, and in the month as well. So I've got the policy preference by age group as well. These are all the policies that's for each age group that they prefer. So this is the expected settlement by age group as well. I've got that. I've got the total customers by age group. So this alone has given us a lot of insight that is really gonna help decision makers. So these are the filters. Whatever filters you select reflects in the dashboards as well. So this is now working on February analysis for 2023. And after everything, if you want to clear the filters, you can use the clear filters button here and then clear everything. It brings back to the normal page that you have. So you can as well go back to your home page, and I also have the clear filters for the sales view as well. I've got that for the general view as well. So basically, this is what the project is. And if we go back to the home page, here we can talk about the key insight that we got from the visualization. Business overview. Keep an eye on this. The business overview is just to keep an eye on the customers and revenue growth every day to understand how the business is doing. And in the based on the age group matter, we look at which age group spend the most money to know who to target with ads and offers. Then looking at the city profits, we'll see which cities bring in the most money to focus marketing them more. Based on the best sales, we will figure out which ways of selling get the most customers and make the most money. And then based on what people are buying, we check which insurance policies people of different ages likes the most, and to offer them the right product as well. So we can go back to our dashboard homepage, and this is it. So I'm so happy because this is actually my final project. I started this boot camp in the month of September, and then from there I went into the virtual internship with the company, and I'm so happy because I've actually learned a lot. Code the basics are doing well. I'm so very happy. So I can go back. Thank you so very much.